Allow me to introduce our next presenter. I'd like to introduce Jen Schaeffer, President and CEO of Leadership Philadelphia. She comes to the nonprofit from St. Christopher's Foundation for Children, where she served as President and Chief Executive Officer since 2004. She's over 20 years of experience in nonprofit leadership, management, and development. Prior to joining SCFC in 2004, Jen worked in investment management and client services with Morgan Stanley, CMS Companies, and City of London Investment Group, PLC. Please welcome Jen.
Hello, Rad Girls. I have the distinct honor of sharing with you the nominees for this year's Nonprofit of the Year. So when I say all these names, you're going to be like, yes, because they're all amazing. The Nonprofit Leaders of the Year Award nominees are Lauren Christella, Committee of 70. Lori D. Jones-Brown, Philabundance. Reverend Michelle Simmons, Why Not Prosper? And Yocasta Laura, AARP, Pennsylvania, Associate Director. So the Nonprofit of the Year Award recognizes a woman in our community who is dedicated to the uplifting and supporting Philadelphians through their exceptional leadership of a nonprofit organization. And the winner is Lauren Christella.
They said I can say a word, and it would be missing an opportunity for the Committee of 70 lady to not say vote. Vote like your democracy depends on it. It does. Sitting this one out is also making a choice, and I hope you choose to show up either by mail or in person on November 5th. Thank you.
The next group of nominees. Connector of the Year. The Connector of the Year Award recognizes the people in the back who are still talking, but we'll just get to that in a second. The Connector of the Year Award recognizes a woman who forms and grows powerful networks to spread ideas and promote engagement. The Connector of the Award nominees are Emma Copley Eisenberg, Blue Stoop. Lindsay Scanapico, Scout. Margaret Berger Bradley, Ben Franklin Technology Partners, VP. And the Sisterly Love Collective co-founders, Ellen Yin, Sophia De Leon, Joe Weber, and Jen Carroll. And the Connector of the Year Award goes to the Sisterly Love Collective, Ellen Yin, Sophia De Leon, Joe Weber, and Jen Carroll. Thank you. Yeah, say.
All right, and thank you. Well, I really want to take just a second to just say one thing. As much as awesome as it is to win this award and to get that recognition, even better is how many Sisterly Love Collective members, Sisterly Love Collective collaborators, and Sisterly Love Collective allies that have also been nominated for awards and won. So thank you, everyone, and hey, support yourselves and your sisters.